Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how to add staple function error, how to sort out the add staple function error. So here we got roughly around 15-16 pages. So I want to do stapling on the top left corner. So right, so as soon as I select the staple function, so it says add staples. So don't get panic, just open the finisher door and pull the unit out, and then you will see the staple cartridge over here, and then push upward and then it comes out. So you will see there's no staples at all. See? So what you have to do is just lift this one up, and you'll see it says push both side. Yeah, so push this one, and then this plastic chamber, this thing comes up. See, it comes up. So this is where you have to put the staples in. So this machine is 3003, so it can be like 3004, 45, 4, 55, sorry, 35 or 3, 45 or 3, 55 or 3. So the staples type is type K. So sorry guys, I'm just doing the video by myself. So open it. When you open it, you will see the staples as a block, block of staples. So all you have to do is, okay, keep it outside, be careful, don't drop it. So get this one aside. So this paper should come outward, so like this. So this will go in, this way. So before I do anything, so I'll show you properly. So this is how it goes in. Yeah, push it in, and I close it from the top until it locked. You'll see the clicking noise. If you push this one again, it won't come off from the base because it's full, it's locked. Okay, and at the end, what you have to do is, sorry, just let me do it. I just pull it. Once you pull it, you will see this way. You just simply just pull that out. Okay, so here we go, full cartridge, staple full cartridge. So, and then it will go, this metal thing should close, see like this, and this goes back into the chamber. Make sure you will hear the clicking noise. Okay, don't worry, it will give some weird noise. Side, and then push this unit carefully in and shut the door, and then you will hear this. Did you hear? Right, okay. So now when I ask for stapling, there we go. There we go. There are no any messages, error messages. Okay. Alright then, thank you for watching my short video. Hope it helps. Thank you. Just full